Jules, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, boy, I hope you stay around because we're about to get lit. I'm joking. No, we're not getting lit today. Today is just a vlog. Sorry, I'm not picking my nose, I'm actually just itching it because guess what, your girl has got hay fever and I'm coming to you so raw this morning. Like I haven't brushed my teeth yet and nothing. I mean, I put soap on my face because what had happened was I'm having some hormonal breakouts. I don't know why. And then a few weeks back I went to shave my face. Yes, not shave, but I got my face waxed, and let me tell you, oh my gosh, my face broke out. My face broke all the way out. Like, angry ain't even the word. I think I might insert pictures of when the breakout dried up, like how it looked. It was horrific. So I am currently in the process of trying to rectify my face because this woman, she literally ruined my face. Like, she's actually ruined my face. I don't know where to look, if I should look here or in the viewfinder or anywho. Yeah, so my face is ruined. Not ruined because I can obviously get it back to what it was, but it's just gonna take a bit longer. Like my face, like the two cheekbones, the two cheek areas, they broke all the way out. Anywho, this is not a vlog to complain, this is not a vlog to moan. In today's video I'll be attending my god baby's birthday party. She's currently here right now, she's having breakfast, and then we're gonna wash her hair, not get her ready because it's really early, after 7, so that's why she's having breakfast. So I think we're gonna chill for a little bit, but then we're gonna wash her hair, get her ready, then make our way to her birthday party. So yeah, today's vlog is all about like my baby girl. So her name is Priya. If you have me on social media like Instagram or Snapchat, you'd actually have met her already because like I post her quite often. But if you haven't got me on Instagram or Snapchat, then baby girl, baby boy, what is you doing? Like, you need to have me. Like, I'm such a vibe on social media or even TikTok. Add me on one of them, like, so we can stay connected, and then you'll see more in my life. But yeah, so I gave her cereal this morning and now she's eating it, and we're just gonna chill after, watch some cartoon because it is Saturday after all. And yeah, so I will be back with I'll see you in the next clip. Okay, my Jules? Yeah, alright. My bestie has just showered and look here, she's jerking her pum pum. Take a good look. What is that? And it's jerk seasoning in the bathroom with a lotion. Yeah girl, I use a nice spicy pudding.